So now let's see how we can insert Google Drive image inside of Google Sheets. So in order to insert the Google Drive image, first of all, you have to go to the insert menu on the top, and then you need to go around into image. So once you go there, you can see that you can add an image over cell. So once I click on this, what happens is that the insert image menu opens up. So now I can go around into the Google Drive tab just like this. And now you can see that it accesses your drive for images. So it's loading up right here. And here you can see that it has opened up the Google Drive, and you can see that there's my TutuTube logo right here. So I can simply click on it and I got the insert option. You can also navigate around onto other folders if you want to, but in my case, I just want to insert this. So I'm just going to go around and click on insert, and the picture will be inserted. It is loading out right here, and there you go. So as with any other images, you can go around, place it wherever you want, and work around with the image options. And that is how you can insert Google Drive image inside of your Google Sheet document. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.